Hello everyone, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Future, Tools of Destruction. Last time, we finally took down the Kerchu Mech Wrecker. However, Captain Slag and his army of cutthroats took the Dimensionator from us. I don't know if they know what it does, I don't know if they just want it because, they think it's rare and special and a treasure. But what does matter... Need to catch my breath. Sorry, I ran up the stairs. What does matter is we need to get it back. Long ago, the Oobleek Passage was a common space route between the Verdigris and Praxis sectors. However, the passageway was made virtually unusable when the Cragmates detonated a nearby neutron star in order to block Allied Polaris convoys. Polaris. The residual radiation has made the passage unusable to all but robots and the hardiest of organic life forms. Wait, rewind for a moment. Did it just say they detonated a neutron star? How do you even do that? Wow, these Cragmites really are something else. I may not like them, but I'll at least give them that. Detonating a neutron star? I'll give them props for that. I mean, people theorize that aliens use Dyson spheres to absorb the energy and light of other stars, so I guess I couldn't say it's far-fetched to have someone detonate a neutron star. Although, this is a fictional game and all, but still. Wonder how that must have looked. Was it like detonating a nuclear bomb?
Ratchet, the situation is getting dire. I am sending a transmission to Kronk's comm unit requesting assistance.
Fine, but I'm not waiting around. We need to get that Dimensionator before Slag can cause any more trouble.
Agreed. So once again, past planet Jacindu. This is all going to be blind from here on out. I know that we're near the end of the game, Barley. Or probably, but it's still a blind playthrough nonetheless. I'm sensing some kind of boss arena. Or maybe that's just a particular looking round ringed area. Alright, so...
What can we do you for?
Yeah, these 4 weapons, I can definitely tell these are going to be expensive as hell to upgrade. You know what? Screw it.
Upgrade it. Done and done.
So we need 55,000 or 5,500 Raritanium plus however many for the bonus ability. We need a butt ton more for this. We're basically going to need a lot. For the Alpha Cannon, I actually calculated. I need 11,600 plus. That's how expensive this is. The Negotiator was 12,800. So, surely this was like, even if not the most expensive weapon, if it turns out, definitely a weapon that seems worthy of upgrading. So, let's try to figure out what we want. Pyroblaster, of course, goes there. Claws go there. We may need to whip out some of our weapons, just in case, or gadgets, just in case. We still have 3 more, tools and or weapons to collect. Which means a lot more things to upgrade. I know, actually no, we only need 2 more. Because one of them is whatever the hollow plans could be making. I don't know if it's going to be called anything involving the name Rhino, but I know it's going to be some kind of insanely powerful weapon. And all we need are the schematics to make it. And then we get the weapon free of charge. Hopefully. I mean, I'll gladly give that smuggler the blueprints as long as I can get the weapon, at least for free for all that effort. So, yeah. I don't think there's really much of anything else I would want to use. But you know what? Just in case, you know, let's use the Tempest launcher, because that does really big amounts of damage. Also, you may see me using the Pyroblaster a lot more often for two reasons. The first is because I need to upgrade it. The second is because I bought all the upgrades before it was even fully upgraded. So it'll give me a nice, consistent.
Mother's Day is just round the corner. In honor of this special day, Thorndale Prison will be extending their visiting hours so that we may spend more time with our sweet mums.
I don't know what you were going on about. Oh, you again.
Allow me to give you a proper greeting.
Ooh, you do not like this. And I don't like that.
And Mother's Day is just round the corner. In honor of this special day, Thorndale Prison will be extending their visiting hours so that we may spend more time with our sweet mums.
Okay, well that was awkward. I don't know what happened, but my game suddenly froze. Thankfully, it didn't corrupt.
We wasn't expecting
But,
visitors along Max. Allow me to give you a proper greeting.
I think it's better if I do this from a distance. Ow! Did I just pick something up? Was that another, It might have been. Pretty sure that was another piece of the, big weapon blueprint. Ah, damn it. Should have seen this coming. I mean, the Dancing Pirate minigame isn't that bad, but I feel like I never know if I did good or bad until the animation's like, hey, congrats.
You again? Take a
Oh, damn it.
You look like
Yeah, I get the jig. I get the gist.
To your right, to your left, to the sky, to the sky, to your left, to your right. Shake your booty. To your left, to the sky. Shake your booty.
I've seen many a jig, but that be the finest. Ye may
Yeah, that'd be the finest jig, yada yada yada. Ow! Ow! Kind of a douche.
All right, Chief.
You know what?
What can we do you for? Upgrade.
Screw it. Oh. I mean, it's almost upgraded, I guess. See, that's the thing. New enemies drop a lot more raritanium. Like so. That was weird. Hey, does that mean that big pirate guy's gonna come back? Probably is. Nope, we're in the clear. How dare you interrupt me when I have a new level? I'll teach you! Don't mess with a Lombax and its Judicator. Apparently Judicator's a real term. Has something to do with court. Bridge is lowered. Mutiny inbound. I could really use some new armor. I could really use some new armor. But I'm not seeing anything. Wait. Hold the phone. There's something beyond here. Oh. Oh, fuck. So there's something beyond there. Hey, can I buy some,
Right, Chief. What can we do you for?
I'll tell you what you can do me for. You can do me for some new upgrades. See, that's the thing. At this point, it's so hard to decide whether I want to buy or save up. You know what? Fine, I'll save up. I mean, I can make the most of all these new areas. I don't know if this bolt attractor works on raritanium. I don't think it does. I do know that the raritanium usually automatically comes to me, though. Yeah, no, it doesn't increase my range of raritanium. Just bolts. Oh, thank God, I thought I was gonna fall. Hey!
Hey, amigo, you're halfway there. Now, I gotta admit, I am mighty curious to see what weapon was so dangerous they tore up the plans to it. Guess we'll find out soon enough, huh?
That we will. What could possibly be over here, though? Oh. You little... Did you really just try that on me? Did you really? Just... Ooh! 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 Oh my God, I am fucking rich. I knew it was wise to save up. So, like I was saying, did you really just try to shoot me off the edge? Dick. Wait. Hold up. There's something over here. Can I get up there? It doesn't look like it, but there's... something over there. Oh. Now how in the blue blazes am I supposed to get up there? Maybe there's like a way from where I'm supposed to go. Maybe. See, that's why I like Raritanium chests. They give you so much Raritanium to save up. I always say I want to save up, and then I never do, because it's so easy to spend and upgrade. But I now have a prime opportunity to actually save up, because my Pyroblaster needs upgrading, and it also allows me to get a nice fuck ton of Raritanium. Wait. Oh, I could have just slid back here. Oh, too late for that now. Now, here's the troubling thing. Because this is now a blind playthrough again, I don't know when the final boss point is going to be. I do know that I want to do everything else before the final boss. I just don't know when the final boss point's going to be. Well, hello there. The hell's going on there? Mind if I join the party? I get the feeling we're about to face our big robot friend one more time. The final showdown, you may say. May say, might say. But we're about to make quick work of him. No matter how many times you come back, buddy, this battle is going to end the same. With you being taken down. Haha! Give me all that Raritanium, please. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm proud of myself. Ooh, look at how many bolts and Raritanium I have! It's enough to make that kid from the first Ratchet and Clank game blush. Did I don't... I honestly God have no idea how that could have happened. Well... These three do need upgrades. This one's the most expensive, but it's also the most powerful. I need 11,600. Still gonna save. I mean, dying a lot, still, you know, it's beneficial, because, you know, I can still get a lot of Raritanium from this. Bring it. Your gun? Bring it. Your neck? I'll ring it. Okay, that was a bit darker than I thought it would be, but I'm here to show that Lombaxes aren't here to play around. Lombaxes certainly mean business. I just killed everyone with a level up. How cool is that? Okay, where do I... Is there someone I haven't killed? Oh, you guys over there. Allow me to introduce you to my slashers. I wonder if there's a skill point for just knocking them all in there. Oh, these teleport the... It seems I... Oh, thank God. If I died last time, why didn't it take me here? That's confusing, but whatever. So it's like an onslaught of pirates I have to take down. I can deal with that. Why is it that when I'm taking out one shield pirate, the other ones come at me? I mean, it's the best way I can deal with them. No, you don't. You naughty scallywags. And there it is.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the incinerator. Cook your enemies twice as fast with dual streams of intertwining fire.
I love it. So, that just leaves the razor claws. I think. I'm sure there's more weapons, but the razor claws are definitely on the list. Hot and smoking. But you know, I think just to be safe, I should probably stick with the incinerator.
Captain Slag is here somewhere, Ratchet. We must keep going.
Maybe we should follow the smell of stale grog.
Treasure! Look at how close I'm getting. I really do wonder how much Rotanium would be needed.
Will consist of ballroom dancing, ice sculpting, and Jargonian needle torture.
That does not sound pleasant in the slightest. I'm gonna keep going so I can like really rack up these Rotanium. Oh, trying to fuck with me, huh? How'd you like to mess with the Judicator? Okay, now I'm just curious.
What can we do you for?
Oh, they're already almost upgraded, fully. 2500, 2500. I can afford that.
Done and done. Bada bing, bada boom.
So all that's left is the Alpha Cannon and Toxic Swarmers, neither of which I'm all too worried about, but I should definitely save up for the Alpha Cannon. 11,600 Rotanium. So that means I can save up a lot easier, because neither of them are weapons I really rely on all too much. So I won't need to worry.
Incoming enemy fire.
Enemy dealt with.
Ratchet, we need to disable those cannons.
Whoever sank Gangrene McGinnis, please report to the galley. He forgot to clean up the mess.
If things get too ugly or I run out of ammo, I can always use the incinerator. Say hello to my little friends. Oh, this is too much fun. You really think you can mess with me, huh? Yeah, you better think again. Because I've got an arsenal of weapons that are just more than happy to greet you. As well as give you a new facelift.
Ratchet, come in.
Come on, come on, come on.
Your way. We'll radio you on approach.
You got it. Oh, this was a bad idea. Okay, note to self, those electrified enemies, just, oh, okay, I'm right here. Okay, so as tempting as it is to use the Razor Claws, I think it would be a much better idea to just, incinerate them. There we go. Any treasures hiding about? Methinks there is. Ah, crap.
Ahoy, me hearty! Dance the jig and celebrate your... piracy. Shake your booty! To the sky! To your left! To the sky! To your right! To the sky! To your left! Shake your booty! To the sky! To your left! To your left! Shake your booty!
Yeah!
Many a jig. But that is
Give me your Raritanium! Give me your everything! Bolts and Raritanium are doubled. Which means I have to fry you all to a crisp! I don't even care if it runs out, because I'm certainly getting my good fill of Raritanium. Yeah, there it goes, it ran out. But I'm getting my joyful fill of Raritanium. Hold on. There's something over there. Ooh. Now pray tell, how do I get up there? Can't get up there. Can I? Evidently I can, but it's not where I'm supposed to go. Alright, we're nearly, Oh! We're nearly at the end of this episode. Unless, of course, I decide to let it go on for a little longer. We're near the end. I can hold out a bit more. Plus, I'm on a roll. Why stop now? Oh, hi. Sizzled. Gyrocycle. Okay. Wait, I think I know exactly where this is gonna take me. Oh. Why is it taking me over? Oh, that's why. It was for a gold bolt? Oh, I thought there was something over there. Wait. Okay, hold on. Am I not going over there? Ah, whatever. I'll worry about it later.
True pirate, mate. To the sky!
To your left.
To the sky!
Shake your booty.
To the sky!
To your right.
To the sky!
Shake your booty.
To the sky!
Shake your booty.
To the sky!
To your left.
To the sky!
Shake your booty.
Yeah!
Give it back, Slag.
He picked the wrong spot for a fight, me boy. Perhaps a flogging will teach you to meddle in the affairs of corsairs.
That's a good one, Captain. You made a rhyme.
Shut up, Pete.
Aye, aye, Captain, shutting up.
Ready to bilge and step aside. The rats dine on lumbax tonight.
Ooh, now we're fighting Captain Slag!
The secret of the lumbax is stays with the pirates. Be true now, you big plans for it. Still here, are you? We'll have to do something about that. Lads!
Captain needs our help, lads. Skewer that mangy rat.
How about I skewer you? Oh my god, hi!
Hit. Beauty of a shot, Captain. Top notch.
Yeah, you didn't like that much, did ya? Did I seriously just die from that? You know what? We'll do this next time, folks. In the next episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction, we fight Captain Slag. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you want more content in the future, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell, and I'll see you next time.